What are lifestyle disorders? The lifestyle that most of you lead might be really good, but this lifestyle in itself is a disorder. Unhealthy dietary habits, less physical activity, irregular sleep cycle, over dependence on technology has resulted in the rise of lifestyle disorders. Problems like diabetes, hypertension, obesity, thyroid, PCOS, osteoporosis, or various cardiovascular diseases are all associated with lifestyle disorders. This is directly associated with the way people lead their lifestyle. Not restricted to adults alone, lifestyle diseases have started hitting kids as well. We all have become prey to some extremely uncommon diseases we had never even heard about before. One of the most common problems associated with multiple disorders today is obesity. It is mainly caused by unhealthy eating habits, stressful lifestyle, and reduced physical activity. Through obesity, a person is likely to suffer from issues such as breathing, blood pressure, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. Diabetes is a condition that impairs the body's ability to process blood glucose, also known as blood sugar. The two major diabetes types are type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is also known as juvenile diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is the most common type, which has strong links with obesity. The general symptoms are increased hunger, increased thirst, weight loss, frequent urination, blurry vision, and tiredness. PCOS, that is polycystic ovary syndrome, is a condition that affects a woman's hormone levels. Symptoms include menstrual irregularity, excessive hair growth, acne, and obesity. Hypertension or high blood pressure. It occurs when your blood pressure increases to unhealthy levels. It is generally a silent condition. You can have high blood pressure for years without any symptoms. A few people with high blood pressure may have headaches and shortness of breath. Hypertension increases the risk of heart diseases and stroke. It occurs due to the blockage and decrease in the brain's blood supply. Stroke occurs when the blood vessel carrying blood to the brain has a blockage, leading to an oxygen deficiency for the area of the brain it carried blood to. And any irregularity or abnormality which affects the heart muscle and blood vessel walls can be referred as heart diseases. The general symptoms of stroke or heart diseases can be chest pain, slow heartbeat, or shortness of breath. The next one is cirrhosis. It can be defined as a group of liver disorders. Liver can be severely affected by heavy alcohol consumption. This has become a common lifestyle disease as many people consume alcohol on a daily basis. Cancer is the result of a weak immune system and a stressful lifestyle. Cancer is defined as irregular cell growth in our body and is caused due to many reasons like smoking or lifestyle choices. The other common disease is related to thyroid. The two main types of thyroid disease are hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. There are a variety of symptoms you could experience if you have a thyroid disease, such as tiredness, weight gain, hair loss, or intolerance to cold temperatures, anxiety, nervousness, trouble sleeping, losing weight, or muscle weakness. At present, 1 out of every 4 Indians are facing body aches, acute stress, constant cold and cough, overweight issues, or digestive concerns. These are some of the common issues people are facing due to lifestyle choices and poor health habits. And when it comes to food, we also are at a risk of poor nutrition. Unhealthy eating habits such as not having enough of healthy food or consuming more fast food are contributing to reduce our ability to lead a healthy and active life. At Know Your Food, our main focus is on weight management, making you fit and active, providing healthy meal plans, stress management, improving sleep quality, prevent or control any type of illness with the help of 3000 plus qualified experts providing the best quality service. Never underestimate what good health can do to the quality of life you live. Make sure you lead a healthy lifestyle. You can contact us on these social media platforms mentioned here.